At first glance, this mansion looks like the kind of property people spend years searching for. Green land stretches around the mansion. The mountains rise in the distance. A long driveway leads toward a home that appears untouched by the noise of the modern world. It is beautiful, historic, and impossible to ignore. Then you see the Zillow listing, and suddenly the beauty creates a much bigger question. Why has a mansion with this much character, land, and potential struggled to find the right buyer? Some people may see a dream restoration project. Others may see years of expensive work waiting behind the walls. But the deeper you look, the more this property begins to feel like something more than an ordinary real estate listing. So today, we are exploring the mansion, its history, and the real reasons a place this remarkable could remain unsold for so long. If you enjoy forgotten mansions and the stories hidden behind their walls, subscribe before we step inside. This is the Smathers Gautier Macer House in Waynesville, North Carolina, around 30 miles southwest of Asheville. Built in 1898, this mansion is considered one of the finest examples of high-style Queen Anne architecture in western North Carolina. Even before entering the property, the exterior makes a powerful first impression. A high roof rises above the home, while two 3-story octagonal towers frame the mansion and give it the appearance of a building from another century. Projecting bays extend from the main structure, and a deep wraparound porch stretches across the front. It is the kind of porch where people may once have gathered during warm southern evenings, watching the sun disappear behind the mountains. The original wavy glass windows still remain, creating reflections that modern glass cannot reproduce. During the day, sunlight moves through those windows and reveals the details inside. But after dark, the tall towers, quiet porch, and empty upper windows create a completely different atmosphere. Step through the front entrance, and the mansion begins to show why historic property lovers find it so difficult to ignore. A grand colonial revival staircase rises through the entrance hall and immediately becomes the centerpiece of the interior. Paneled wainscoting runs along the walls. Large pocket doors connect the formal rooms. Decorative plaster medallions remain on the ceilings. Original woodwork appears throughout the house, preserving the craftsmanship of a time when homes were built slowly and almost every detail was created by hand. Then there are the fireplaces. The mansion contains 9 of them. Several are decorated with Italian tile and large mirrored overmantels that reflect the rooms around them. They are some of the most beautiful features in the home, but they also remind buyers that this mansion was constructed long before modern heating systems, energy-efficient windows, and today's building standards. The home contains 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. One bedroom with its own bathroom is located on the main floor. Additional bedrooms are found upstairs, connected by long hallways and surrounded by the kind of historic details that are rarely seen in modern construction. Above those rooms are attic and turret spaces that look almost like something from a storybook. For a creative buyer, they could become private rooms, studios, reading spaces, or additional living areas. But this is where the dream begins to meet reality. Every extra room means more space to repair, heat, cool, clean, and maintain. Every tower adds complexity to the roof. Every old window may require specialized restoration. And every original detail creates a difficult decision. Should it be preserved exactly as it is, or replaced with something more practical? Outside, the property covers around 2.5 acres. The land includes a barn, pasture, and a small cottage, giving the estate a balance of elegant architecture and rural character. From the right angle, the entire property looks like a private mountain retreat. But owning a mansion like this is very different from admiring it through listing photos. The purchase price is only the first expense. A serious buyer must also consider the electrical system, plumbing, heating, cooling, roofing, foundation, insurance, taxes, and the ongoing cost of maintaining such a large, historic structure. And repairs may not be simple. Modern materials do not always match 19th century craftsmanship. Specialized contractors can be difficult to find. Even a small project may become expensive when the goal is to protect the mansion's original character. There is also the issue of how people live today. Most modern buyers want open kitchens, large closets, private bathrooms, efficient layouts, and low monthly expenses. Historic mansions were designed for a completely different lifestyle, and that may be the real reason mansions like this remain unsold.